is kind of a genius. He used to say, buildings are more important when they strike the ground than where they strike the sky, because everyone sees the magnanimous ground that they strike. This next building is to our left after this bridge, 2020, a few years later, a building called the Bank of America Tower. And he had another challenge here, because here he had a very rectangular, triangular piece of land, with not a lot of room for work. He had to come up with an idea how to maximize his real estate on this building. This idea where these three 83-foot tridents that you see coming down to the river would actually support half the weight of his entire 58-story skyscraper right on top of our heads here. Kind of genius then when you think about it. But also you see that little stair-step configuration of that building.